Hey you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day while I'm quarantined. This is just one day. Of course, I switch it up as much as I can. Also, I use the resources and the budget that I have to eat as healthy as I can. But at this point, I think we're all just pretty much doing what we can with what we have. As far as lunch and dinner, it usually switches up. But the morning for sure is always fruits and veggies. Alright, so every morning it starts off with water and tea. I drink a lot of liquids. Water and hot green tea. Alright, y'all, so these are my ingredients for my fruit and veggie smoothie this morning. I have some strawberries, mangoes, some beets, some organic beets, yogurt, and water. You can use juice. I'm using water because, you know, in Houston, in Texas, the fruits are pretty ripened and sweet. So I don't need all that juice business going on down in there. But if you're from up north, where a lot of the fruit is like, you know, more tart, then you might need like orange juice. But I use water, and I think water is better for me anyway. I also use lemon juice down in here. All my smoothies get lemon juice. So, yeah. Ooh, the color was so pretty on this one. I loved it. I mean, it was different. The beets were kind of strong, I'm not gonna lie, but I enjoyed it. Okay, so I'm about to try it. Okay, I do taste the beets, but it's still pretty good and it's creamy, so it cancels all that out. This is why I always make sure I put lemon juice in all my smoothies, because just in case there's something in there I don't like, the lemon juice is always going to come through. So another good one. Alright, so this is lunch. I'm going to make some tuna wraps. I know I probably should have got whole wheat tortillas, but those are the one I saw. So I'm just going to add a little mayo, mustard, salt, pepper. Well, no, not salt. I don't have any salt down in there, just pepper. And some cheese, some pickles. I'm going to wrap it up, and then I'm going to toast it just to get a little crisp on the outside. And that's pretty much lunch, you guys. You know, it's small, it's cheap to make. The cheese and the pickles, everything is optional, of course. If you only got tuna in your house, use tuna. Alright, y'all, so this is the wrap. Like I said, that's it. Plain and simple, easy lunch. Toasted on the outside, still nice and cool on the inside. Let me give y'all a quick backstory. My mama did my hair all the way up until I was about 15, 16, and then we graduated to the hairdresser. So I never really got a chance to really do my own natural hair. I was spoiled. Simple. I was spoiled at the end of the day. My daddy spoiled me. So that's that. So now it's like okay, I threw my last wig and I can't buy no more. And I probably could if I ordered a $500 or $600 wig, but I'm not doing that. So now I'm here with my natural hair, and it's like, girl, what do you do? I know my sister has a YouTube channel, and you know something, I need to check out her channel for some natural hair care tips, because that's exactly what she does. So I'm actually gonna go over there and watch some natural hair care tips that I can do with my own hair while I'm in quarantine. So check out my sister. She has big, beautiful hair. We all do. And she does a lot of natural hair care routines, as well as products and things like that. So I'm gonna drop her link below and you guys check her out. Alright, y'all, so this is dinner tonight. It's just some wings, some leftover lemon pepper wings that I made, because I made them the other day and I made them again. And underneath is some Asian wings. In total is 4. And just some salad. This salad has butter lettuce, cucumbers, and this thing for salad snacks, or whatever it's called, but this is what's in there. I'm just gonna add my little dressing. I got ranch. And that's it for my day. And later I'm gonna drink my hot tea, because I always end the day with hot tea. My mother wants me to do that, and that's what we've been doing. So yeah, so that's it. Simple salad and some wings for dinner. I'm about to go outside to check on my plants. probably need to pull it inside. I think tonight, tonight I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it out, but cover it. I'm gonna pull it over there.